Hello. So we're back. Wednesday, and we have a nice old laptop to fix. Yeah? This is a Dell Studio i3. Just a nice one for that. That even now with Windows 10 should work great. Okay. What this is doing, the charger is plugged in, and the power button, pressing the power button, and it's doing nothing. I mean, oh, here it is light. You can see the light here. Yeah, here we have the charging light, but nothing more. Huh? What's the problem? We have to fix it somehow. Okay, so first let's see if we can figure it out the fault from the back. This came here with show light by the charging port does not turn on. Yeah, that's how the laptop came here. The battery looks like has a line, the charging level. Now let's try a trick here. Let's open the back cover. Okay. I love the screwdriver. And try to see if we have any power, if our board is fine, and I will tell you after that why. So we have few things here, so we have to find, let's see what we can find here. We have ground. Yeah. We have any voltage here. Oh no, sorry. We do have 5 volts. So the laptop is on? Or is the thingy from the BIOS sleep and charge? 5 volts there. And here we have 3.3. What about 19? Yeah, I can see a power supply there. You can see it there. Zero. And nothing. What about here? 19.7, you can see on the screen. So it looks like the voltages are fine. Yeah. You know why I want to check? I want to check because these laptops, they came with a very specific fault. Let's screw back this because we don't have to open this. Okay. Okay. The problem with these ones, yeah, with those laptops, it's actually the power button is here. You can see it here. It has the light ring here. Because the power button is here, has some wires, and they're coming here and they're coming on the board. Okay, so most likely, because opening and closing, the wires from the power button can be interrupted. Yeah, can be broken. How do we check something like that? Yeah. Sorry? Yeah. How do we check something like that? Let's try and open this. I know this has some clamps here. Or maybe not. Or this is coming out. Somehow. Yeah. And the power button. See the power button there? And we have 3 wires, so actually 2 from the power button and 1 from the LED because has a light ring there. But the wires are fine. I mean, I can see them. Okay. If the wires are fine, the thing, the problem just complicated right now, yeah, just because the wires are fine. Let's take the front bezel. Doesn't have screws or only clamps. And you can see the wires are fine, I swear are fine. Huh? Wow. Yeah, the wires are fine. Can you short them? I can't even see anything there. Let's have a look under the microscope. If we can short the wires to simulate the power button pressed. The wires, they have some sticky thingy. Some kind of glue here. Or someone put something here, or not. So, I'm not sure which is the power button, but let's try ground. Ground and a brown, and we have light. We have light on the power button. And look here, look here. And we have a picture on the screen. No, I can't switch it off. It's working, exactly what I told you, yeah? But this time the wires are not good. So actually the problem is the button itself. So let me try and open the button. And let's see what's wrong with the button. Yes, so that's the button. And nothing happened if I press the button. So that's the button, pressing the button, and nothing happened. What about shorting the button? Shorting the button, and nothing happened. Yeah. Safe. But looks like someone replaced the button. I mean, look here on the plastic. You can see? So someone replaced the button and did a bad job. Can be. Let's try ground from here. Yeah, let's try ground from here. And plus from here. Or this is no plus. No, that's the LED. Should be plus. Plus meaning the hot wire from the power button. Yeah. No, nothing happened. Okay, let's check the voltage. Because on the power button we should have 3.3. Yeah. We should have 3.3 on the power button. So we have ground. And here we have nothing. Here, and we have nothing. Here, we have nothing. So we have no voltage. But why? Because the brown thingy is soldered. Huh? I mean, let's try short the brown with black. Oh, this is the LED. Okay. So actually the power button is black and red. Black and red, and the power goes off. That's interesting. Let's check the voltage. Even if the laptop is off, you should have 3.3. Yeah. So from here to here we have 3.2. Yeah, you can see on the screen 3.2. From here we have 3.7. Oh, I mean, I can see the truck is going here. So the truck is coming here. Here. And we have 3.7. And here we have 3.7. Sorry, 3.7. Yeah, so the voltage is coming here. So why my voltage is not coming out on this hole? Let's check one more time. It's like 1.6. .2. Why is doing something like that? I mean, that's ground, okay? That's clear ground. You know, let me get the ground from the USB port. It's more easy. Yeah? Okay, so now we have 2.6. You can see 2.6. But on the other side of the board, yes, same hole here, we have 3.1. And here we have 3.1. Okay, even 3.1 should be fine. Let's see what we have here. Here we have 0. Here we have 0. And here we have 0. Why? So here you have 0. And on the red wire, we have 3.1. And here we have 3.1. So on this hole, we have 3.1. But on the other side, we have nothing. Like nothing, like 0 volts now. Okay, so this is a tricky fault. Okay, let's fix this. Let me get a proper calibrated fuse, like usual. So let's see if we can. We can. Oh yeah, we can. Yeah. Now let's solder this thingy here. Let's try to apply a smart fix. Okay. Everything what we are fixing today should be a smart fix. Yeah. Yeah, probably the laptop is coming on, goes off because we are touching here things. We need some solder wire. But no solder wire. 1 second. Lorinas, where is my solder wire? Huh? You didn't take. Okay. Let me see. Let me see. Okay, it's here. No, I found it. I found it. Yeah, it's okay. Don't worry. Found it. So I can see the wire solder there. Yeah, let's break this one. Yeah, the laptop is on. Let's solder the wire on the other side here. Yeah. And let's solder the wire here. Okay, it's soldered. You can see it's soldered there. Now let's test it. Pressing the button and it's working. Yeah, let's take down this extra wire here. So extra wire, we took down the extra wire. Let's power off. Off. Yeah, power on. It's coming on. Off. I think you need a delay before you are turning on the laptop. Yeah. Okay, so it's working. Now let's feed this back. Let's put the screw back. The screw is back. Let's see the wires. Here and here. Now let's feed this thingy back. Oh, it's not a big deal. Yeah, all done. Pressing the power button. Working. Okay, it's coming on. Pressing the power button goes off. Now let's put the front bezel. But usually the wires are broken. Usually when I seen this fault on this particular laptop. Let me put the clamps. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Now let's power on. On. All perfect. All good. Working fine. Now let's press the power button. Off. Perfect. Okay. So I will stop this video. Quite a easy fold. Was too easy. Yeah. We should do one more. Yeah, let's do another job. Yeah. Let's start another one. 1 second. What's the problem here? Oh, the problem is the magnet. Perfect, has one more. Let's start another job. Lorinas, you have to call this. Yeah, this is ready. Let's start another one. It was too easy. It was too easy. Yeah. Let me get another laptop.
So how much one?
Give me one second. Okay, another one. He's saying this came here with charging port issue. You think it's the charging port? It's not even there, it's inside. You can see? It's somewhere inside. I can't even, it's not even point to test it. Because the charging port is somewhere inside. Okay? Let's fix this quickly. This is another, this is an Asus model K53u. Oh, there are no screws there. So the screwdriver is okay, but I really wish like to have buttons like left, right. I mean it's okay, I get used to use it. And it's working how it's supposed to work. But you always, you plug, you plug it and you have to give the direction. So you have to, you see? I always have to spin my hand and it's not very comfortable. But otherwise it's okay. It's working fine. I mean, you know how it is. Some things are simple and good because they are simple, yeah? If you start complicate them with you know, rotation sensor and things, I mean it's fancy, it's strong, but I really prefer to have like, you know, left and right buttons. Hard drive, same like Apple, they said we're gonna make your life easier and we're gonna remove any extra port and you can use dongles when you need them. And they call that progress. You know? You know what I mean? I mean, you know, they have like USBs, jacks, HDMI port, and you know, they say, okay, we are going forward. This is a new model of laptop, all improved. We remove everything, so you need dongles. You see, the progress is seen on a different way by the companies. We have one more screw here. Don't get me wrong, I'm fine. I got used to the screwdriver. This is not about the screwdriver. But I remember the thing when they scrap all the ports from the laptops. Same like with the phones, yeah, with the audio jack. You remember? We couldn't make the phone smaller, so we took out the audio jack. Yeah, but that's not progress, yeah. Don't make it smaller then. You know, just leave like how the phone it is. Let's take out the keyboard. So the keyboard is out. You see, always I have to it's annoying, but it's fine. I got used with the screwdriver. I mean, it's better compared with the old one. I mean, it's more powerful. But on the same time, annoying. We can't open this. Why? I have some clips. I didn't understand why the people, they cannot accept, like, okay, that's all what we can do. We can't do more. You know, just simple. We can't do it more. You know, I'm really sorry. I can't do this phone smaller without screwing the people. Yeah, because yeah, we can remove the jack, we can remove the things, and we can make it small. Just accept it. Just launch a phone and say, I'm really sorry. We could not do more. Regarding the dimension of the phone, yeah, we do. We swap the processor, but we can't do anything more regarding the size of the phone, and that will be fine. Everyone will be happy. Just admitting your limitation. I mean, it's not your limitation. It's the limitation to keep the product useful, yeah, and not screw the people buying dongles. So look at the charging port. So you can see the charging port is slided from there. So the charging port should be here on here should be like that, and obviously it was pushed inside, but the charging port looks fine. Let's test it to be sure. Oh, we don't have the power button. We do have the power button connector here, yeah. So let's go with the power supply, 19 volts, around 2.5 amps, ground on the HDMI port, plus on the charging port. No, first ground, let's short. Yeah, first let's short it, and it is short, you can see. So the ground wire is fine. Now the middle wire, which is plus, and I can see it's taking 10 milliamps. Let's short the connector and let's see if we can power it on. Yeah, and the laptop is on, the fan is spinning. Let's wait for the screen. Yeah, and I can see the picture on the screen, and you can see the backlight. Yeah, so the charging port is fine. All we have to do is to fit it properly back. Let me grab some hot glue, because that's the way how you do the things, right? So hot glue on the bottom of the charging port and on the side. And on the side, okay. Good. Now let's feed the charging port where it's supposed to be, here. But let's wait. Perfect. Yeah. Now let's use more hot glue. Let's check the hinge screws. Yeah. Oh, this is loose. Is loose. And this one is fine. This is fine. And this is fine. Hot glue. More hot glue. That's fine. Now let's come with the front, the top cover, and it will bond with the charging port. Yeah. Yeah, it will bond. Now let's put back the screws. You know what I'm asking? Why, like, never manufacturer ask you what do you want? I mean, they run some surveys about what the people want. You know, I'm just curious, you know, like, if you'll ask me for the hot air machine, what do you want? I want precision on the temperature. That's what I want. I don't need really 500 degrees. Let's say even 480 is fine. But I want precision. And but this already has whatever I want, so I can change the temperature from here. It has precision, so okay, this one was a bad example. Well, or the screwdriver, what do you want? I want gears, yeah, inside, so I can change the gear from the menu. That's fine, okay? What do you want more? I want power, I want a bigger battery, and I want buttons to change the left and right by the buttons. That's what you want. Okay, so everything is fine here. Let's see the you know what happened before? We are doing a lot of audio repairs, yeah, like amplifiers, like different mixers, we are doing that kind of repairs, yeah. And before, you know, because you see, that's the point. We are yeah. What we are using? We are using the iPhone, the jack. So you connect the jack and you connect on the other side to the amplifier and you run music and you can test the amplifiers. Now it's not possible. I mean, if you ask Apple, yeah, it is possible. Just plug the adapter. We have a lightning adapter to the headphones. But what is supposed to do to carry with me that adapter? Sick. You see, sick. And you call this progress. No, this is not progress. This is just, you know. You try to hide, you know, ability to create a better phone. You didn't create a better phone. This is not better. Better was the one who has a jack connection and you can use it for something else. Like on my case, testing amplifiers. Okay, let's put the screws. And it's not only about Apple, you know, Samsung is the same, or, you know, the other manufacturers. Not speaking about the laptops. Remember Lenovo with the charging ID pin, yeah, from the charging port going straight to the Super I/O? That's evil, you know, that's not like they did it without knowing. No, that's evil. They know exactly what they did. But limiting the product life probably is a strategy. Like, look at this laptop. This has like 10 years and it's still working. No, show me a Lenovo, yeah, which is working after 30 years, like a new Lenovo. No, either they end up with you broke the charging port and you burn the Super I/O, or you broke a hinge because the plastic is poor. You'll be amazed, yeah, how many laptops we are getting those days with just frozen BIOS. You know, the customer end up with a dead laptop because of a frozen BIOS. Why? Why? Because they think, okay, let's scrap the BIOS chip from the board and let's put the BIOS inside of the Super I/O. Yeah, one thing. The second thing, let's bring the smart gesture on the BIOS. Yeah, so actually now on the BIOS you can use the mouse and gesture. You know, just complicating a simple thing like a BIOS, which is it's just for the startup sequence. That's no progress. That's not a thing which you have to upgrade it ever. Insane. Insane how the people see progress. I mean, okay, I can understand. I can understand. You want to bring an improvement. But you never think actually complicating the BIOS software, you will end up with frozen Super I/Os. I mean, yeah, when the paper looks good and it's not supposed to freeze, but it's happening. That's what is happening when you screw up the old engineers, you know, the old school engineers. And you bring new engineers, like they just end up the school and they have a brilliant mind, but they don't have the experience. This making a good end up, you know, product. You need the old people, they have experience. And actually, if you think there is an improvement, you can do it on the BIOS and hasn't been done before, it's because of a reason, you know, hasn't been done before because you can end up with frozen Super I/Os. This is something which you can't buy in life, you know, the experience. You can't buy something like that. You can't learn it, you have to go through. I don't think this screw is from here. Okay. So let's see, this is coming here. No, here. So that means has to be a screw there. I have only one screw left. Because two screws was missing from the hinge, you remember? The battery. Now let's plug the charger and see what we've done. Charger. Where is the charger? Oh, it's here. Charger, plugged in the charger, power, and it's working. Okay, then we have the charging light here. You can see the charging light. Solid. We can move the charging port. Everything is fine. It's coming on, working. Okay, so I'll stop now. Hopefully you have a great day. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video. And see you on the next one, probably next week, because I'll be off this week. Yeah? Bye.